Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 5th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of December, 2024, our system has classified NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.78. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 0.44%. This equates to an average return of 0.22% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests in the midst of a broad and descending trend in the short term, indicating further decline within this trajectory. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 20% over the next 3 months, with likely returns ranging from a decline of 27% to an increase of 6%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a possible drop of about 24% over the coming year, with potential returns varying between a decline of 60% and an increase of 12%. This translates to a projected price range between $1.84 and $5.17 after a year. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, NIO stock price up 0.435% on Thursday. The NIO stock price experienced a gain of 0.435% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 5th of December, 2024, rising from $4.60 to $4.62. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated by 3.7%, with a low of $4.60 and a high of $4.77. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days, but remains down by 0.75% for this period. Trading volume decreased by 4 million shares, with a total of 34 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $158,071,000. It is important to note that a decline in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $9.57, while the lowest stood at $3.61. Currently, the price is 51.78%, or $4.96, below the 52-week high, and 93.11%, or $62.38, below the all-time high recorded on January 11, 2021, when the price reached $66.99. NIO stock is experiencing notable fluctuations as the company reported 15,493 vehicle deliveries for November, reflecting a solid year-over-year increase of 29%, though slightly down from October's numbers. With deliveries now totaling 190,832 vehicles for the first 11 months of the year, up by 34%, investor optimism may rise, particularly as the company continues to expand its market share in the competitive electric vehicle landscape. However, Wall Street sentiment remains mixed. Recent price target adjustments show analysts forecast the stock to possibly rise to around $6.94 over the next year, suggesting a near 60% upside from its current price of $4.34. Yet, some analysts are forecasting a more conservative target of $3.90, presenting concerns about NIO's product pipeline and financial stability. The company's strategic focus on battery swap technology and plans for international expansion could foster long-term growth. NIO aims to enhance its brand appeal among younger consumers and expects a significant uptick in deliveries in 2025, potentially reaching 165,000 units. The impact on stock prices could be pronounced in both the short and long term. In the short run, these delivery figures may support upward momentum as investors respond positively to growth signals. However, potential downgrades and bearish sentiments from investment firms could temper immediate gains. Looking further ahead, sustained delivery growth and improvements in financial metrics are critical for establishing a bullish outlook, with projections estimating substantial increases in share value over the next several years as NIO navigates the evolving electric vehicle market. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating with an upgrade recommendation. On the same day, Macquarie also assigned NIO an outperform rating with an upgrade recommendation. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell indication. The following signals have been identified for NIO. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, November 26, 2024, and the stock has since risen by approximately 6.71%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also been identified, which may impact short-term developments. NIO stock presents a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this results in an overall negative forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $4.91. Should the stock decline, it will find support from the short-term average at $4.49. A breakout above the long-term average would trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall trend. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 35 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 39 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 8 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $4.59, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with strong trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 170 cents between its high and low, or 3.7%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 5.59%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may point to a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the fourth day of March in the year 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are projected at a loss of 290 cents. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $5.02. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $4.59. If this support holds, it could be an opportune entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is NIO stock a sound investment? NIO exhibits multiple negative indicators, and we anticipate that its performance will remain lackluster in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, the 6th of December, we forecast that NIO will open at approximately $4.66, following an initial rise of 4.67 cents. It is important to note that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best wishes from all of us here at Stock Invest.